Here we have a 2018 18 plate BMW 530D M Sport Touring. Now with this vehicle you do get the LED headlights, the black front Kinney Girls, full M Sport styling kit, so you get the black front splitter, side skirting extensions, also a rear diffuser. Now you do get 4 20-inch alloy wheels on this vehicle with the blue M Sport brake calipers just hiding behind. We have your front and rear parking sensor with dual exit exhaust flush, the rear bumper and also the rear diffuser. Power assisted rear tailgate, which is also split fold, so just under the wiper arm you do get a button and the glass will then raise. Now this vehicle is free from any major marks, dents or scratches and does look superb from every angle. Taking a quick look into the rear of the car, you can see we do have the full leather seats throughout with the ISOFIX points, pull down armrest, and you get your storage pan, passenger and the driver's seat. On the doors you do get your integrated premium Harman speakers with your BMW individual trim just there. Going to the front, there's a look at the driver's front seat. Now it is fully electrically adjustable and both front seats are also heated. You have your electric windows on the doors, again your integrated Harman speakers. You have your auto lights just down there, multifunction steering wheel with paddle shift if we set the car into manual mode, and you also have your cruise control speed limiter on the left hand side. Digital dash just there, which is customizable when you pop it into the different drive modes. Screen just in the centre, which is touchscreen, where you can see your satellite navigation, you have your Bluetooth media, Bluetooth audio connectivity, DAB radio, you have your front and rear parking sensors, visual display just there as well. Just in the centre you have your heated front seats, you also have your dual zone climate control with ice cold aircon. BMW individual trim in the centre, you have your gear stick with your electric parking brake and auto hold. You also have your different drive modes just there, so you have Eco Pro, Comfort, Sport and Individual. Track control on and off as well, soft touch leather armrest for storage underneath, and there's a quick look at the passenger's front seat. Now this vehicle is yet to have a full clean. Now once it does, we'll do a full walk around video going through all different specifications that do come with this vehicle. Now it is available to take away today with free contactless nationwide next day delivery. It's HBI clear, comes with fresh service, new MOT, and we do offer competitive low finance. Thank you very much for watching.